my dear students, good morning all. Hope you all are safe. Was your FAT exams? Good, right? Okay, happy to hear that one. So welcome to our e-learning science class. Dear students, do you have your food? Yes, of course. Why we are eating food, children? We know that we need energy, right? We need to do many activities like teaching, studying, or running, walking, jogging, like that. Doing all these activities, we need energy. That's why we need to eat food, right? All of us know food is needed for doing various activities, right, children? We also know that main sources of food are plants and animals. Now we know that both human beings and animals, which are depending in both animals and plants for their food, is it? But have you ever thought what is the source of plant food? Do they also depend on someone else for their food? Let's try to find out. No, we know that plants, they are making their own food, right? Plants, they are making their own food with the help of what, children? With the help of sunlight, then carbon dioxide, then water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so plants are preparing their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so they are making their food. Now plants can prepare their own food, is it? Plants can prepare their own food with the help of these things, is it, children? Plants, they can prepare their own food and which are utilizing for various purposes. Okay, so that food is utilizing for different purposes. So what is this, children? Actually, plants, they are making their own food and they are utilizing for different purposes, is it? So dear students, in this lesson I am going to teach you about how plants can prepare their own food and how they are utilizing for various activities. So we are going to learn about our new chapter, lesson 1, nutrition in plants. So what is nutrition, children? What is nutrition? Our chapter name is nutrition in plants itself. So what is nutrition? That is how organisms, they are intake food or they are making their food and how they are utilizing for different purposes. That process we called as nutrition. Okay, so students, now we learned about what is nutrition, right? Next we can check about what are the different types of nutrition. Okay, let's check about the different modes of nutrition. Students, some organisms which are making their own food, they can prepare their own food. Okay, we can say example, plants, is it? They are making their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals, is it? So they are making their own food. But some organisms like us or different animals, we all are depending other animals and plants for our food, is it? So example, we have to say like that, animals. Okay, animals or human beings, we all are depending other animals and plants for our food, is it, children? So that types of nutrition we can call it as autotrophs and heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. Okay, so what is autotrophs, children? Just check it. Auto plus trophs, that is autotrophs. Here, auto, which means self. Okay, trophs means nourishment. Okay, troph means nourishment. So auto means self. Okay, self nutrition. We can call it as they are making their own food. Example, plants. But here, let's check this word. That is heterotrophs. Hetero plus trophs. Hetero means others. We are depending others. Okay. Hetero means others and trophs means we already discussed nourishment. Okay. So heterotrophs, which means we are depending plants and animals for our food. That are heterotrophs. Heterotrophic nutrition. So in plants we can see autotrophic mode of nutrition. But in animals we can see heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Clear all of you? Let's understand this with a diagram. Autotroph mode of nutrition is the nutrition in which organisms prepare their food for themselves. We can say example plants. But what about heterotrophs, children? We all know that heterotrophs mode of nutrition is the nutrition in which organisms depend on others for their food. Example, human being, animals. Yes, we human beings are heterotrophs. We can blindly say that because we are depending plants and animals for our food. Is it, children? Now we know that what is nutrition and what are the types of nutrition also we discussed. Is it, children? So we know that nutrition is an intake of food and utilization of that food. Is it? Nutritions are autotrophs and heterotrophs. And the definitions also we discussed, is it? And in our next class, we will learn more about the facts of nutrition in plants. Okay. So now I'm going to wind up the session. So before that, you have to say the my topic question answer. That what are the meaning of auto and hetero? So we can meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.